I'm Reggie Stewart, and our shop is Reggie's Motorworks in Noblesville, Indiana. We've been working with Autoshop Solutions for just over a year. They just built us a beautiful website. We really love the design. We get compliments on it all the time. I feel like I get the vast majority of my marketing done through one or two points of contact at one company. And to have all of that being taken care of from me is a huge peace of mind. It takes a lot of work off my plate, and I really trust Autoshop Solutions to give me advice. There are a ton of people out there doing marketing, and even a lot of people doing marketing for automotive. And we get a lot of conflicting information. I truly believe that when I call Autoshop Solutions, they are going to give me advice that I can take to the bank. And so far it has worked out really, really well. For quite a while, we have been tracking our website performance and the amount of phone calls we get per week. And since going with Autoshop Solutions, once the site was fully built and integrated, we could see upticks in phone calls and in organic web visits. Plus our AdWords campaign has seemed to really skyrocket. We're seeing, based on the numbers we see in the dashboard and the physical hearing of the phones ringing, we've seen a significant improvement in the volume of business coming into our shop. If you're thinking of working with Autoshop Solutions, I would say give them a call. That's what I did. I felt like they had my back, and a year and a half later, I still feel like they have my back. I continue to learn more about the resources that are available to me, and I believe that they just continue to add more resources. So I've been very happy.